Look up at the night sky. What do you see? A silent black canvas, scattered by countless points of light. It's beautiful, serene. But if you look at the data, to the sheer, staggering numbers, that silence becomes deafening. It becomes a profound and unsettling mystery. This is the Fermi Paradox. It's the contradiction between the almost certain probability of others and the great silence that answers our gaze. It's the question posed by physicist Enrico Fermi over a casual lunch in 1950, a question that has echoed through the decades. Where is everybody? Consider the scale. Our galaxy alone, the Milky Way, is home to an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars. Many of these are billions of years older than our Sun, and around these stars orbit trillions of planets. A fraction of those are Earth-like, nestled in the habitable zone, the Goldilocks region where life, as we understand it, could potentially arise. Now, apply the logic. With so many stars, so many worlds, and so much time, the universe should be teeming with life. It should be a galactic metropolis. The night sky should be filled with the radio chatter of 1,000 civilizations, the interstellar traffic of empires that rose and fell before our planet even cooled. Yet, we hear nothing. We see nothing. The cosmos presents us with a blank, silent wall. So where is everybody? This is the heart of the paradox, and the proposed resolutions are as fascinating as they are terrifying. One possibility is the Great Filter. This theory suggests that there exists a barrier, an evolutionary or technological hurdle so difficult that almost no life can overcome it. The terrifying question is, where is this filter? Is it behind us? Was the leap from single-celled life to complex intelligent beings a near impossible fluke, making us unique? Or, more chillingly, is the filter still ahead of us? Is it a fate that befalls all advanced civilizations? Perhaps self-destruction through war, or a technology we have yet to discover that proves to be our undoing. Then there is the zoo hypothesis, the idea that they are, in fact, out there, and they know we are here. But they have chosen to isolate us, to place our world off-limits, observing us from a distance as we would a protected nature preserve. We are the exhibit in a cosmic zoo, our development untouched by outside influence until we reach a certain maturity. Perhaps the answer is simpler. Maybe interstellar travel is simply too hard. The distances are too vast, the energy requirements too colossal. The void between stars is an impassable desert, and every civilization is an island, destined to gaze up at a sky full of unreachable neighbors. Or maybe they are here, all around us, but in a form so alien, using technologies and communication methods so fundamentally different from our own, that we simply lack the senses to perceive them. Their signals wash over us. Their structures might be right before our eyes, and we are like ants at the foot of a skyscraper, utterly unaware of the civilization that built it.
The hypothesis. They existed, but are gone. Think about it. How many times in our own short, turbulent history have we, as a species, teetered on the brink of self-annihilation? How many times has the flame of our civilization flickered, threatening to be wiped out by our own hands? Recall the Cold War. For decades, the world held its breath, balanced on a knife's edge. The Cuban Missile Crisis wasn't just a political event. It was a moment where the collective decision of a few individuals could have ended the story for everyone. The launch codes, the silos, the bombers circling. It was a dress rehearsal for extinction. And that was just the beginning. We have engineered pandemics in labs. We are currently unleashing a slow-motion catastrophe through climate change, altering the very atmosphere of our planet. We face the specter of runaway artificial intelligence, a tool that could become our master. Now, look at the technology we have today. The nuclear arsenals. These are not just weapons. They are the physical manifestation of a great filter, a technology of such profound and easy destruction that it may be the ultimate test for any intelligent species. The bomb is the perfect candidate. It is a tool that emerges almost inevitably from the path of technological advancement. The physics of energy and power lead directly to it, and once created, it sits there, waiting, a permanent shadow over that civilization's future. All it takes is one bad day, one miscommunication, one moment of peak tension where the wrong button is pressed, and the experiment is over. The universe is ancient, billions of years older than us. How many other civilizations have reached this exact same precipice? How many looked into the abyss of their own creation, just as we are now, and failed to step back? Perhaps the reason the galaxy seems so silent, so empty, is not because life is rare, but because adolescence is fatal. The transition from a planetary species to an interstellar one may be the universe's greatest bottleneck. The moment a species gains the power to reshape its world or destroy it, it faces a test it cannot afford to fail. Maybe every civilization, in its technological infancy, creates its own monster. A climate changed beyond repair. A war fought with world-ending weapons. A technology like artificial intelligence that can consume its creator. And one by one, the lights in the galaxy go out, snuffed out by the very intelligence that ignited them. We are, right now, conducting the experiment on ourselves. We are living through the great filter. The silence of the cosmos is not an invitation. It is a warning. A cautionary tale written in the emptiness between the stars. The Fermi Paradox holds no answers, only questions. It is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be contemplated. It forces us to look at our own place in the cosmos, not with certainty, but with a profound and humbling curiosity. The silence is not empty. It is heavy with possibility. And the question, where is everybody, remains the most important one we have ever asked. The Fermi Paradox presents us with a gallery of haunting possibilities. But one theory stands out, not for its cosmic scale, but for its terrifying familiarity. The question is no longer, where are they? The question is, how long until we join them? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to Brainwave. Until the next time, take care.